Dear students, so we are again meeting again after your 8th standard maths. This year also in standard 9th also I will be teaching you maths. Now, interesting part this year in standard 9th is you have two parts of maths, maths 1 and maths 2. Now let me explain what is maths 1 and what is maths 2. Maths 2 is all about the sums, the algebra expressions part, the ratio part, all those things. And maths 2 is related to all the geometric part. Okay, the geometry, the construction, like till 8th standard you had only one maths. In that maths all the things were included, but now you have maths 1 different and maths 2 different. Maths 1 you have sums, maths 2 you have the related with the figures, okay, related with all the diagrams. So this year I will be teaching you maths 1. In maths 1 there are 7 topics. Last year there were certain topics which were deleted from the syllabus, so we had not taken it for your final exams. About this year we are not sure whether it will be deleted or whether it will be included, because that deletion part was just for the 1 year. So what we are going to do is we are going to see the entire thing. By 3-4 months we'll come to know exactly whether it is deleted or not. Then according to that we'll see, because that part is also after the first term. So first term will not affect much with that part. Until then we'll get an idea whether it is included or deleted. For your maths 1 you will use your 200 pages notebook. Remember, maths 1 is separate, maths 2 is separate. Maths 2 will be teacher Siddhi, maths 1 I will be taking. Now, most important is what you had studied till standard 8th, that maths. Obviously it was important, but that maths and this year's maths, there is a lot of difference. You will see certain higher level of maths. It is not like, okay, once you see and you will come to know. No, you have to go through the videos 2-3 times, then only you will understand what is there. If you practice it on the daily basis, then only you will understand what exactly it is there. If you say, okay, I have done it today and then I will do it after 1 week, or I will just do it before the exam, no, it is not possible. Okay, so you should go through the topic very thoroughly. So whatever I am teaching on the daily basis, see that you learn, you go through it, you resolve those sums on the daily basis. In case if you don't understand, obviously you can ask me anytime, but just don't ask silly questions, anything. Okay, if really it is that you are stuck somewhere, you are not able to understand, you can ask me on the WhatsApp, I can explain it to you. Okay, so the further detail of your paper pattern portion is given. Okay, you can go through it. Now what it's important for you is try to understand the concepts. It is, I know it will be a little bit difficult for you, but it is not impossible. Okay, so you will put 200 pages, whatever the sums will be given, you are going to copy down in that. So I hope it is clear. Okay. Now let's see the syllabus, the paper pattern and the portion. So let's discuss about the portion and the paper pattern. The first thing what you have, the portion, first unit test. altogether for your standard 9th you have 7 topics. Out of that, first unit test, lesson number 1, which is sets, group of the numbers. Lesson number 2 is real numbers. These 2 topics will be there for your unit test. And for the term, we'll have third topic also, which is polynomials. Now, the paper pattern. You will have unit test 20 marks. Unit test paper pattern I am not giving you right now because let's see how it will be the mode of exam, the online, offline, depending on that. But first term, even though it is online or offline, we will have the same paper pattern. First term you will have 50 marks, where written will be 40 marks, and 10 marks you will have practicals or the assignments which we will take it at that time only. So 40 plus 10, total 50 marks. Your first term paper pattern, now this will be same for the your first exam, that is the maths 1 and maths 2. Even the same it will be for your term, first term, and the annual exam also, final exam also. The paper pattern will be same. Question number 1A will be choose the correct alternative for each of the following. As you know, choose the correct alternative. MCQs will be given, 4 MCQs. You have to choose the correct one. Just write down the alphabet A, B, C, D. No need to write down the sentence, no need to write down the answer. We need the alphabet. Question number 1, we will be solve the following questions. 1 mark question. There will be 4 questions. You have to answer all 4, where you will get the answers within 1-2 steps. Question number 2A, that will be complete any 2 activities, 2 of the activities. As you know, the activities, there will be the boxes given. This we have done in 8, but still we will practice this time also. Question number 2B will be solve any 4 of the following sub questions. So 4 questions, 2 marks each. Again, question number 3A will be complete any 1 of the activity. Activity will be given. This 1 question will be there, which will be having 3 marks. There will be 6 boxes given. You have to fill those 6 boxes. Each box will have half mark. Even in question number 2A, any 2 marks. So there will be 4 boxes, half mark each, so 2 marks. Question number 3B, solve any 2 of the following sub questions. 3 marks question. Question number 4, any 2 of the following, 4 mark question, any 2. And question number 5 is solve any 1. Now question number 4 and 5 will be little difficult level, which will be from the textbook itself, which will be from the syllabus itself, but the questions will be out of the textbook. So you have to practice this way. So I hope you are clear with your maths 1 of your standard 9th. You will not have any doubts related to this. Okay, so thank you and have a good day.